To recover a MetaMask account, start by understanding the basics of MetaMask and the importance of the seed phrase. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. The seed phrase is a list of words that serves as the backup to your wallet, allowing you to restore your account in case you lose access to it. First, ensure you have your seed phrase written down and stored safely, as this will be necessary for the recovery process. If you do not have your seed phrase, you will not be able to recover your account. Next, open the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app and click on the account icon. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Advanced and then select Restore Account. You will be prompted to enter your seed phrase, which should be a list of 12 words. Enter your seed phrase carefully, as any mistakes may prevent you from recovering your account. After entering your seed phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password to secure your wallet. Once you have entered your seed phrase and created a new password, your account will be restored, and you will regain access to your funds. It is essential to note that anyone with access to your seed phrase can recover your account, so it is crucial to keep it safe and secure. As a best practice, consider storing your seed phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet, and make sure to never share it with anyone. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully recover your MetaMask account and ensure the security of your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize the safety and security of your seed phrase to prevent unauthorized access to your account.